Restarting again the transmitter. See how the things work. The light is turning on. The second switch is on. Nothing changing. Still the same. This showing the how watts the transmitter is set to, but in the screen it's nothing. Now I'm checking everything to see how is it. It is same like the last video I made for you guys. This one is different now. It's 23.8. It used to be 23.9. We have know how much watt this transmitter set. This is a mixer in the studio. I will turn it on. And after that, to try to put in the sound. I getting now the sound from the external player, sound player. Setting up the volume. Now I have the signal coming up, but only in left side. See, only left channel we have the signal. I went back to the transmitter. We have no signal. It's nothing. In the second, I try to get the sound from the studio, but using the mic. From the same channel, always I have the signal on one side, left one. Went back to the transmitter, we have no signal. After that, I do the text of the wire cord. I come to this box. From this, we do in the normal switch between Studio 1 and Studio 2. This one is broke. It was a surprise for me because see, it's coming out. It's not normal that way. It's not doing anymore the switch between the studios. After that, I do the check of the cable, audio cable from this point to mixer. Sorry, to the transmitter. The right cable. I check every single cable inside because inside normally it's a 3 cable. I check every one of them. See, nothing happened. That means the cord is broke. It's not working. Nothing happened. The first cord, it's same. Nothing happened. After that, I check the right cord. Sorry, the left cord. The left cord. Now, see what's happened. Excuse me, my quality image is not so best, but see, now it's working. That show the cable it's okay. Try the second cord from the left cable to the second cord, showing it work fine. See, we have the signal. After that, I do the same thing to the third cord. The third cord is work too, the white one. After that, I do the check from the cable between the studio 1 to the studio 2. This is an audio cable. I check over all of them. It works fine. I mean, the right cable and the left cable work fine. This, I'm talking about the cable between the studio 1 to the studio 2. It's the same one taking the signal from the mixer in the studio 2 to the transmitter. In the second one, taking the sound from the mixer in the studio 1 to the transmitter 2. All these two cords, it's okay. It works fine. This is a cable taking the sound from this box to the transmitter. The red one is broke. It's born somewhere. For now, that means we have to find another cord to work together with the left cord. That's still okay. In all way, the distance between the studio and the mixer is 55 meters. All the long way the cord was put in the ground. We need 50. See how far this mixer is, or the studio is from the transmitter.